it's Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we're going to be learning how to make a paper mailbox out of a toilet paper roll. So I thought these would be perfect for little Valentine's Day treats because they're small and they're affordable and they're just really cute. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post new videos all year round, would love for you to join me, and without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the paper mailbox, I'm going to start off with one toilet paper roll and also a small sheet of scrapbook paper. And this scrapbook paper should be able to cover the opening of the toilet paper roll. Here I'm just pinching at the bottom on the left and right sides, and I'm just giving it a little corner there so that it creates that typical mailbox shape, or kind of like a tunnel if you want to think of it that way. And then I'm turning it to the side and I am folding that crease all along to the other end of the toilet paper roll. Turn it around and do the exact same thing with the other fold as well. And now you've got your mailbox shape. Place the toilet paper roll right on top of a scrapbook paper and then trace around with a pencil. Now take a pair of scissors and cut around this tunnel shape. We're just going around sort of the perimeter of it, leaving about a centimeter of space from that line that we just drew. And that way we can create little fringes around it. So I'm just cutting around it. When you get to a corner, we're going to make a little triangle shape and pluck that off. And then you're just going to go around and create these fringes right up to the line, the pencil line that you drew. So now we have all those little fringes created. We're to fold those down right along the shape, so just kind of curve it where it naturally would go. And then dab a little bit of glue around the rim of your toilet paper roll. Now take the cap and cover the opening of the tunnel. I'm using my fingers here to seal it in place. You can even use a rubber band and tie around the rim of it so that it is held in place while it dries. Here I'm just using a small piece of cardboard that I cut from a cereal box, and I placed the tunnel right on top of that and traced the other side as well. Take a pair of scissors and cut out the shape. So I'm just doing that curve at the very top, and over here you'll see that I am actually not cutting along that vertical line that I drew. Instead, I am cutting about a centimeter to the right of that vertical line just so I can make a tab. And to finish off making that tab, I am cutting a diagonal line on the bottom and also the top, and then folding along that crease that we drew earlier to create that tab. Now grab another sheet of paper and glue that right on top. Grab a pair of scissors and cut that piece out. And then fold that tab down again. And we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side, so take a little bit of glue and dab it to the back, stick it on a sheet of paper, and cut around the shape. So now our mailbox door is done. We're going to dab some glue at the tab, and then stick it right inside. Now grab a piece of decorative paper that is going to cover the toilet paper roll and, dab some glue on the back of the sheet of paper. I'm using runner's tape. If you're interested in getting a runner's tape, I highly recommend the scrapbook adhesive one, and I'll leave a link in the video description to that in case you're interested. Then cover up your toilet paper roll with the scrapbook paper. And here I'm just reinforcing some of the creases at the bottom. So once you have that all wrapped up, just grab a hole puncher and we're going to punch a little hole right on the side of the mailbox here, and that's going to be where the handle is going to go. Now grab a small strip of cardstock. I am using a light purple color because I thought it would go very well with the light pinks, and punch a hole at the bottom of that strip of paper as well. Grab a fastener and stick it into the hole of the handle, and then stick it onto the mailbox and fasten it. Then we're going to trim the handle to size. And here I'm just taking a very sparkly heart and gluing it onto the purple handle. And now you can swivel it back and forth. To make the handle, I'm using a little bit of cardstock and covering the tip of a paper straw. You can also use a plastic straw. Put it against the mailbox to gauge how long you want it to be and trim it to size. Glue on the handle. Stuff it with hearts. And your paper mailbox is done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making the mailbox out of the toilet paper roll. If you would like to see more videos like this, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Also check out some of my other tutorials. I have over 400 of them or something like that. Something crazy. So there's really something for everybody. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.